Welcome back to Sunday Pips, reviewing pairs for this week. USD CAD, yeah, remember how I said 1 hour will probably go bullish to get to this area of interest, and then I'll wait for a shift of structure to look for sales. Everything that I was waiting for happened perfectly, but I feel like a wizard. The shift of structure happened on the 30-minute. We were creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high, and then we shifted right here. Got the engulfing candle, my entry on the 2 hour right here. Not the most perfect engulfing candle, but still an engulfing candle. Took this trade around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Went into profit for a little bit, then it pulled back. All I pulled back means for me is look for more entries. So I started looking for more entries. Had my alarm placed right here to let me know once price closes under. It happened at 2 a.m. but I was knocked out. I wasn't able to catch this trade. Here's the account. I restarted it. Have no idea what most of this stuff means, but I guess I made 36 bucks on this one trade. Started with 1,000. Man, there's probably somebody out there that took this exact same trade but on a live account and made real money on it. Can't wait to turn 18, bro. Feels like I'm missing out, but it's good practice though, I think. So I'm gonna just remove this since I never took this trade. USD JPY, I was waiting for a pullback into the zone, shift of structure on the lower time frames to look for sales, but that shift of structure never happened. 1 hour remained bullish, no shift of structure, higher high, higher low. All price needed to do was just this, and then shift for me to catch all of this. Crazy. Pull back again right here, and again no shift of structure. 1 hour remained bullish. This was the higher high, higher low. No trades were taken. No shift of structure, no trade. CAD JPY, we retested the neckline of the head and shoulder just like how I wanted it to. Left head, right shoulder, wicked into it, retested it. Go down to the lower time frames. Yeah, this time 1 hour shifted. We were creating higher highs and higher lows. Shifted right here, shifted bearish, closed under the previous structure point. Got an engulfing on the 2 hour. This was the trade right here. Stop loss should have been placed above the zone. But I personally wanted for 4 hour to create a lower high. 4 hour was bullish and then we shifted bearish right here. I wanted for 4 hour to do something like this, create a lower high so I can then take the trade right here once 1 hour shifts bearish, but price never did that. Instead, we just created this huge wick and then price went down. Euro CHF, I was looking for buys. I was looking for buys. Price was right here at this blue candle on the 4 hour time frame. I said I was gonna wait for price to do this, create a new lower low, and then close above the lower high, pull back into the zone to then look for buys. Obviously, that never happened. We did create the new lower low though, and then prices found some resistance around this area, and then it went down. No trades were taken. Euro GBP, we were at this how daily looked like. I was waiting for a pullback into the zone, shift of structure on the lower time frames to then look for buys. What I wanted to happen ended up happening up here, and I wasn't even paying attention to this pair. We had weekly bullish and the daily bullish. 4 hour went bearish. We didn't need for 4 hour to be bullish since we already had 2 time frames in sync. This is where we go down to the lower time frames, look for the shift of structure. 1 hour went bearish to create this pullback on the 4 hour. Lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we shifted bullish right here. Beautiful engulfing candle, beautiful shift of structure. This was the entry. Wasn't paying attention, was too busy looking at USD CAD, but played out perfectly. Just shows you that strategy works. GBP USD. GBP USD, what was I waiting for? Oh yeah, GBP USD predicted this to perfection too. Price was right here. We were at this candle on the daily time frame. I said I was gonna wait for a pullback, shift of structure on the lower time frame to look for sales. Happened perfectly. 4 hour, we pulled back. Beautiful pullback. Shift of structure happened on the 1 hour. Right here. We were creating lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we shifted right here. Engulfing candle on the 1 hour. Entry right there. Didn't take this trade because my risk reward wasn't gonna be positive, a 1-to-1. I need a minimum of a 1-to-2 to take a trade, so I was waiting for a pullback to make my risk reward more positive. Obviously that pullback never happened. No trades were taken. USD CHF, I was waiting for a pullback into the zone, shift of structure, look for sales. The pullback did happen, I guess, if you want to consider this wick a pullback too, but it never even made it to the area of interest perfectly. No trades were taken. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next Sunday analysis. And if you want to know how I pick these pairs, watch this video up here and let me know down in the comments how your pairs went, how your trades went, if you took any. And peace.